Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to build an e-commerce website from scratch today without coding headache or big upfront cost, follow this video. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step using Shopify, one of the easiest and most powerful platform out there. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we just need to sign up and start our free trial. Just click over here, start for free, and then Shopify usually give you 3 days free trial and sometimes longer with specialties. Here you can see 3 days free and then 3 months for $1 per month. Sign up with your email to the store name and answer a few quick questions about what you plan to sell. Once that's done, click enter my store. Congrats, your e-commerce site is officially in works and you will get something like this kind of an interface. Here you can see it, and this is our interface as you can see it. So once you did, now you just need to pick and customize your theme. So here you just need to come over here online store and then you will find out the theme. Just like this one, Shopify has tons of free and paid themes. You just need to visit Shopify themes store. Just click this one and they will redirect you to here. You can see they have free and paid theme. They divided it by industry also. You can go with this one. You can see the features also, then many more. So if you want free plan, you can go with this one. Then like you just need to pick on that match your brand, and then I already installed one that's called Tron. I will go with this one. So now you just need to click to the customize. This opens the drag and drop editor, and here you just need to add your logo, change your colors, update text and various sections. No coding actually needed here. You can create a professional homepage in just a minute. Just click over this header and here you just add this same setting. Just click this one and here you can actually add logo for your business. Then you can change the color, you can change the typography, layout, even buttons, animations, all are available here. Now once you finish that, your design and customization is completely okay. Now you just need to add your product. So now it's time to add your product for your selling. So here you just need to go to the product. Once you come over here, then here you just need to click to the add product. Once you click over here, you can eventually add your product. You just need to provide your name, title, write a detailed description. You can take help from artificial AI here. Shopify gives some great features. So as you can see, this one we have a product, we add title, we give description, we add images which are high quality, then we have variants also. So you just need to organize them into a collections. Then you just need to double check the inventory, shipping details, and then hit actually to the save and repeat for each product. Once you complete, you just need to set up payments and set shipping. Right now you just need to go to the setting and then visit to the payments. In here, if you come from United States or Europe, you will get Shopify payment providers which don't even charge any transaction fee. But if you're from third world, you will get not this kind of a feature. You just need to go over here at payment method and then here provide your details. Like you can go with the Stripe, MasterCard, Mistro, Trust, whatever you want. You can also choose Bitcoin as a payment integration for you. Once you're done, you enable your payment and you just need to come over here for the shipping, and here you can see the general shipping rates. You can change your shipping rates and your shipping for international rates here. So it's totally up to you. Make sure your text and store address are correct too when you are doing this one, and then you just need to test and launch. Before you go live, preview your site and check it out here. Actually this way, just refresh this one, and once you are happy, pick a Shopify plan that fits to your budget and remove the password. Hit publish, share your store link, and boom, your e-commerce site is live today. And before that on thing, I just want to say you that domains, you just need to connect your existing domain. If you have, if you're not, then just buy a new domain from that place. They provide you the access. Like let's see, this one will be my domain, and then here you can see .org, and here actually you can see it is not available. So here let's try this one. Okay, let's see again, and you can see it is available and it costs around $15 USD first year. So you can choose your domain from that place also and connect it, and you are now ready, like good to go. So if you found this video helpful, please like the subscribe and subscribe for our more Shopify tutorials.